Hello everyone, welcome to Insightopia 360, the channel where we explore the amazing world of animals. Today, we are going to learn some fascinating facts about peacocks, the most colorful and elegant birds in the world. These birds are not only beautiful, but also have some incredible features that make them stand out from the crowd. Let's get started. Peacocks are not a single species, but a common name for three different types of birds that belong to the pheasant family. The blue peacock is native to India and Sri Lanka. The green peacock is found in Southeast Asia. And the Congo peacock lives in Africa. Each of these species has its own distinctive appearance and behavior. Peacocks are actually the males of the species, while the females are called peahens. The collective term for both genders is peafowl. Peahens are usually smaller and less colorful than peacocks, with brown or green feathers and no long train. They also have a crest on their head, but it is less prominent than the peacocks. Peacocks are famous for their long and iridescent tail feathers, which they can spread out in a fan-like display. These feathers are not actually their tail, but their upper tail covers, which cover their short and stubby actual tail. The train can measure up to 60% of the bird's total body length, and can have up to 200 feathers. Each feather has an eye-shaped spot that is called an ocellus. Peacocks use their train for courtship and mating purposes. They raise and shake their feathers to attract the attention of peahens, and to show off their health and fitness. The more colorful and larger the train, the more likely the peacock is to find a mate. Peahens can judge the quality of the peacock by the number, size, and brightness of the ocelli, as well as the symmetry and condition of the train. They are also not very good flyers, despite having such large wings. They can fly for short distances or to escape predators, but they prefer to stay on the ground or perch on trees. They can fly up to 10 feet high and 40 miles per hour, but they get tired easily and cannot sustain their flight for long. They also have difficulty landing and balancing with their heavy train. Peacocks are omnivorous birds that eat a variety of foods, such as seeds, fruits, flowers, insects, worms, frogs, lizards, snakes, and even small mammals. They have a strong beak that can crack open nuts and seeds, and a long tongue that can lick up insects. They also have a crop in their throat that can store food for later digestion. Peacocks are social birds that live in groups called parties or musters. They communicate with each other using different sounds and gestures. The most common sound is a loud and harsh call that sounds like kee-ow or meow. This call can be heard from up to a mile away, and is used to mark their territory, warn others of danger, or attract mates. They also make softer sounds like hisses, grunts, or snorts to express their mood or intention. Peacocks are territorial birds that defend their home range from intruders. They usually have a dominant male that leads the group and mates with most of the females. The male establishes his dominance by displaying his train, fighting with other males, or chasing them away. The peahens choose their mates based on their preference and availability. They can mate with more than one male in a season, or stay loyal to one partner for life. Peacocks are polygamous birds that do not form lasting bonds with their mates. The females are responsible for building the nest, incubating the eggs, and raising the chicks. The female lays 4 to 8 eggs at a time, which hatch after about 28 days. The chicks are called peachicks, and they are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. They stay with their mother for about 6 months until they become independent. Peacocks have cultural and religious significance in many parts of the world, such as India, China, and Greece. They symbolize beauty, grace, royalty, and immortality. They are also associated with the Hindu god Vishnu, the Buddhist deity Amitabha, and the Greek goddess Hera. Peacocks have been kept as pets and ornaments for thousands of years, and have been selectively bred to produce different colors and patterns. However, they are also threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and poaching. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent birds and their natural environment. And those are some of the amazing facts about peacocks that we wanted to share with you today. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about these incredible birds. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more animal videos. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what animal you want us to cover next. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Insightopia 360.